Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load xgameruntime.dll error code 126 in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you encounter this error, so it means usually this error because of you install the cracked games, cracked apps, or you install it from illegal sources. So it's often happen because of that, and you can fix it by go to this website howtoconnect.com. There's a solution about it. I already tried once in a long time ago, and right now I install, and I purchase officially, not the fake, not the fake or the cracked game, not anymore, because the game is contain malware, if you don't know, for your information, of course. So please purchase game official, maybe from Steam, maybe from GOG, it's up to you. So let's get back to the topic. So to fix the failed load or the fix to error code 126, you have to uninstall and reinstall gaming service. So you can open your PowerShell. You can try to search Windows PowerShell in here, or you can right click Windows PowerShell admin. So you can right click this Windows icon, click Windows PowerShell admin, and here you can copy this text from howtoconnect.com. And also you can update apps from the Microsoft Store. You can go to the Microsoft Store, you can update the application and then launch the game again. And here, repair and reset gaming service. For example, you can go to your apps, try to search the game that you want to run. For example, this one. This is the fake, this is the cracked one installed by my brother. So you can try to uninstall it and try to purchase the official one. Here, for example, if you want to repair, you can click modify. Here you can repair installation and so on. You can follow the guide. Now let's jump to modify Windows registry and trace. You can type Windows R, run, and type regedit. Okay, sorry, and here we go. You can try to click H key local machine and go to the systems service and try to search the AG or gaming services. So I don't have one, but if you see this example, you can try to right click on them and select delete one by one, and then restart your PC. And the last, download Xbox on Windows. You can go to the Google and search Xbox app, download the app on your Windows and launch it. And now try to launch the game and check whether any issues occurs. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the text button below. See you